Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jitendera Rai, Faculty of MCA Department from Tecnia Institute Advanced Study. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic of tracking user sessions. ASP.NET manages 4 types of states: view state, control state, session state and application state. Number 1 is view state. The view state is the state of the page and all its control. It is automatically maintained across posts by the ASP.NET framework. When a page is sent back to the client, the changes in the properties of the page and its value of a hidden input field named view state. When the page is again posted back, the view state field is sent to the server with the HTTP request. The view state could be enabled or disabled for the entire application by setting the enable view state property in the page section of the web.config.file. A page by setting the enable view state attribute of the page directive as %page language equal to C# enable view state equal to false. A control by setting the control.enable view state property. Second, control statement. Control statement cannot be modified, accessed directly or disabled. Third, session state. When a user connects to an ASP.NET website, a new session object is created. When session state is turned on, a new session state object is created for each new request. This session object becomes part of the context and it is available through the page. Session state is generally used for storing application data such as inventory, supply list, customer record or shopping cart. It can also be information about the user and his preference and keep the track of pending operation. Number 4 is application state. The ASP.NET application is the collection of all web page, code and other files within a single virtual directory on a web server. When information is stored in an application state, it is available to all the users. To provide for the use of application state, ASP.NET creates an application state object for each application from the HTTP application state class and store this object in server memory. This object is represented by class file global.aspx. Application state is mostly used to store hit counters and their statistical data, global application data like tax rate, discount rate, etc. and to keep the track of user visiting the site. So I hope you understand the topic tracking user session. Thank you very much.